how to use Starling Bank app. Now, if you wish to use the Starling Bank application as a complete beginner, it is actually quite very simple for you to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then make sure you've downloaded the Starling Bank application and then simply open it up. Then once you open it up, this is the type of interface you will see. So you can tap on the Get Started button right here. Now over here, by the way, if you are a new person, you can tap on Open a New Account button. So you can open a new Starling Bank account with a personal account, business account, or a joint account. But you can follow the on-screen instructions for that. Now if you want to set up a Kite app, then go to Set up a Kite app option, then tap on Get Started, and you can simply Kite app setup from here. Or if you're trying to log into your account, you can tap on Login as a returning customer, enter your country over here, then after that make sure to enter your mobile number, then after that tap the Continue button and log into your mobile banking. Then as you log into your mobile banking, then over there you'll be able to see more options, like you can actually create your account. In this case, you'll be able to transfer the money from one account to another. You'll be able to find all of your card details as well. You'll be able to find your transaction history. You can receive payment and you can send payment, and you'll be able to manage much more options through the Starling Bank application. Either way, this is the way on how you can use a Starling Bank app as a beginner. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.